Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer for study abroad with University of Rhode Island, full guide step by step clearly. Begin your journey by researching study abroad programs offered by the University of Rhode Island. Visit the official URI website to find detailed information about available programs and destinations. Identify the program that aligns with your academic and personal goals. Check the eligibility criteria for transferring to URI for study abroad. Gather information about the application process specific to the study abroad program. Review the academic departments related to your field of study to understand course equivalencies. Contact the URI Study Abroad office to ask any questions regarding the transfer process. Obtain all necessary documents from your current institution, including transcripts and recommendation letters. Prepare your application materials, ensuring they meet URI's guidelines and deadlines. Complete the application form for the study abroad program of your choice. Submit your application along with your supporting documents to the URI Study Abroad office. Track the status of your application through the URI application portal. Once accepted, review any additional requirements, such as orientation sessions or health forms. Arrange for housing accommodations if required by the program. Plan your course schedule in consultation with academic advisors at both your current school and URI. Finalize your visa and travel arrangements as needed for your destination country. Stay informed about cultural differences and prepare for your international experience. Begin packing and gathering necessary items for your study abroad journey. Embrace the opportunity for personal and academic growth during your time abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.